Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So today's video topic is on Messenger, and I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger not sending message. So this problem occurs by some of the way. The first way could be because of a slow Wi-Fi, so make sure your Wi-Fi is fast and like not unstable, because this problem may arise due to slow Wi-Fi. And the other thing is, if you continuously send message to a person who is not friend on your Facebook, then this problem might occur due to spam. And the other thing is, if you send a message which violates the community guideline of Messenger, then the Messenger might not allow you to send message to the following person. And the other thing is, or if you send a message to a person and the person reports the message, then you might also be able to face this problem. So the way to fix this problem is pretty simple. So first, take the screenshot of the problem. Like, let's say I go to Witchy Kevin. So right now I'm not facing this problem, but if you want to fix it, then it's simple. So let's say I write whatever thing over here and send it to him, right? So over here it's gonna show me send, but if you're facing a problem, it's gonna say message not sent. Tap for detail. Then you can screenshot this screen, and after screenshotting it, the screenshotting is the option if you want, but it will make it easy for you to fix this problem. Not you, but the Messenger team, because we are going to report this problem to Messenger team and they'll try to fix it. So for this, click on your profile icon and scroll down until you see report technical problem over here, and once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now over here you can click on camera roll and add the screenshot which you just took, or if you don't want to, then you don't. Now we are going to explain our problem over here. So our problem is, so this is our problem. So you can write this: my message are not being sent, fix it please. And after writing your message, you can click on send, and this problem will be reported to Messenger, and the staff of Messenger will try to fix it. So wait for 2 or 1 day for them to reply. They're not going to reply instantly. So yeah, just wait for 2 days at least, and they will fix this problem. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.